Today I just received this accessory for my gripper. It's a heel that helps you push wood through the blade. Doesn't quite work the way I expected it to, but it does what I need. So I'm definitely going to be keeping it, but stick around and I'll show you what I found. Bought this gripper from Micro Jig when I first bought my table saw, and I really like it. It works well, except for maybe this little defect here. But one of the things I found was I needed some kind of heel back here to help push the wood through. So I went ahead and purchased the accessory this weekend. I'm going to go ahead and hook it up and see how it does. Got 3 of these for router tables, 2 of these for table saw, and then 2 of these spacers. This will probably run in my T-track too. Put this bolt in here. This is a spacer. Comes a spring. Now these are the 3/4. There's a washer, and then your knob. See how it comes together. Gravity heel is meant to be cut through and is replaceable. So you can cut through it. How this is designed is it's supposed to be out of your way when you put it on a piece. You can push it through like you normally do. It's supposed to drop down. I help you push your stock through. I really can't get this thing to work like they show in the videos, instructional videos. It doesn't seem to spring up and down as it's intended to. And I've tried, and that'll work. Seems a little loose for me. But this thing is intended to be cut through, so I'm going to rip a piece of scrap here, see how this works. Still not liking this spring action. It's supposed to, maybe it's some adjustment I'm not doing right, but it'll work. It's not as slick as they advertise though. Okay, let's give this a try. Turn on my dust collection. The spring action on this doesn't work quite as well as I'd like it to do, but all in all, it does exactly what I need it to do. If you need that little push at the end, you'll want to get this accessory. I just wish they would have included it in the original product.